This is the beginning of one of the systems, one of two systems we have here at the Black Rock Ranch and Black Rock Ranch Wilderness Retreat. This pump pumps water 5 miles north of here to supply drinking water for wildlife and livestock. This pump, along with another pump, provides our house water, and we have it set up where when the tank here fills up, the overflow then automatically flows out onto our fruit trees and the garden. We designed the system so we can pump up with a 300-foot lift from here, which includes a 70-foot deep well that the pump produces. We designed this pump here specifically for a constant flow of 5 gallons per minute, and then we'll coincide with the lift pump. I'll show you a little bit later on, and then again that will complete a complete watering system. And what it will do for us is, one, it'll save me a lot of time, money, and a lot of hard work to haul water to various locations throughout the ranch, and then all I have to do is flip a couple of switches and it will take care of itself. This system here is one of 5 typical drinkers we put in to provide livestock water, wildlife water. These systems also have escape ramps in them for wildlife, for small animals that might get in the trough. There's deer, bighorn sheep, other wildlife that all water here at this system. Like I said, one of 5 that we put in throughout about 19,000 acres. Going to be about 8 miles of pipeline here when we get done. Okay, this storage tank is one of 3 storage systems we put in. And as you can see, we've got good water here. There's 5,000 gallons of storage here. And we're going to put a drinker in here also to get distribution of the livestock. But my point is, I guess, that this can design you any type system you need, depending upon how much water you have or your needs of your watering system, whether it be a house system or whether it be a complete system such as we have here. And Jim is most capable of designing pressure heads. For instance, this pipeline coming up to this tank has 300 foot of head on it, and which is 150 pounds pressure from the system at the house. So he designed the pump to pump right at 5 gallons a minute on an array of solar tracker, and when the sun comes up it starts pumping. We'll put in an additional booster pump here and another solar panel system to pump an additional 2 miles this way due north of here to provide another drinker for also wildlife and livestock. And this will be maintenance free. We'll put a float switch in this tank, and when the sun comes up it will come on automatically. It will pump for all the daylight hours. Okay, this is the second system that's designed for us. This pump here actually provides water for drinking at the Black Rock Ranch Wilderness Retreat, and also our wash water, our bathing water, and it's set up also on a tracking system and another set of pipelines and storage tanks. And you know, we're an hour and a half away from town, 20 miles of dirt road, so we don't have commercial power out here. And Jim helped us set up to get those tax credits and also your rebate from your local co-op, even though you may not be on the grid system. And he knows a lot about that. He's very knowledgeable, and his staff is most willing to help you get set up. This well right here is about 17 foot deep. It's beautiful rock work that Granddad did when he dug it. See that deal laying over there by that little dog pen? That cement deal with the round? Well, they had that set up out here. I don't know what happened to it, but it drove a pump. It was like a windmill, but it drove a pump, and the girls with moms, her and her sisters would be out here, and they'd take turns with a little switch of driving this burro in a circle to pump water when the wind didn't blow. Before we had the solar pumps, we had this old hand pump was set up right there. This hand pump was set up on this well, and we pumped it by hand for drinking water. That's what we used. Or a bucket. There was a hole there, and there's the pulley that we'd use on it, and we'd pull the rope to get our drinking water. Okay, this is another one of our tank storage facilities. These tanks provide water for our showers, our bathrooms, our kitchen, and it's all gravity feed back down to the facility. And the water then is pumped, submergible pumps, and up to these two tanks, and that supplies everything for us, the total need from one solar pump. Design a system for your needs, no matter the amount of water you need, or if you have a well that doesn't produce much, they have various pumps that they can put downhole that can meet the demand of the well. I've worked with Jim for, oh goodness, probably 20-25 years. We originally had at this location his original solar jack pump, so it was time to upgrade. We put this new system in with a new tracker. It has more panels on it, and it really meets our need that we have here for water. And when you're way out here in the middle of nowhere, good fresh drinking water, it's just a neat setup, saves us lots of money. I don't have to start a pump, I don't have to run a generator, I don't have to put gas in a Jensen jack anymore, and I don't have to haul water anymore. Without the use of solar systems they've helped us put in and design, that this place probably wouldn't be here as well as it is now and as well watered as it is now.